Hello everybody, today we're playing Poppy Playtime Chapter 3 again. I will be showing you the final part, which includes the catnap boss battle. If you haven't already watched my other videos, I would suggest going back and watching those, because they are the other parts to this video. So, basically what you need to do first is find the batteries, plug it in, and then basically just make your way through the whole thing. I will not be doing any of the tapes. If you would like me to do tapes in another video, please suggest it. I would, but right now this is just the normal walkthrough. This part is really cool, but I'm going to add some lighting so you guys can see. We continue the other way because why would we want to go the direction where catnap is? Really? Why? And for some reason this takes you outside to the caverns, which is really weird because I thought, like, why would you want to go to the caverns when you're trying to make your way through here? This puzzle is really easy. If you just follow what I do, you'll be able to beat it really quickly. There's some tricks and stuff that you have to do. I did not get this the first time, but if you watch, you'll be able to do it. And yes, the reason I keep changing to the flare gun is because I really like it. Because who wouldn't like a gun to shoot in a game that shoots fire? It's also very helpful in, like, the dark rooms, because they are very dark, as they say, dark rooms, but the flare gun can light them up. This tunnel is extremely long. I hate how long this tunnel is. Why is it taking so long? Oh my god, it's still going. Okay, you might remember this room from the room that poor bunny was taken hostage by catnap. The puzzle in this room is not really a puzzle, it's more of a, you have to take the battery from, yes, back there, and I missed, which I suck, and bring it back, and then put it in here, where you will then be able to take more than one electricity, and put it in every single outlet before it goes out. gotta close the door, because we don't want that red smoke getting in here, do we? This is a hack that you can do. I'm not sure if you can do this on PC, but I'm playing on Xbox. But you can grab that and pull it down before you get up there. This puzzle is really not complicated. It's actually, I would say, one of the easiest puzzles in the game. So, this puzzle is extremely easy. I'll show you why. Because all you have to do is turn, like, maybe 3 things. No, I let go! I suck at these jumping pads. They're pretty easy, but I just suck at them. Like, see? While we're waiting for me to finish this endless jumping thing, make sure to like and subscribe, and leave in the comments below what you want me to play next. Oh my god, it didn't break. I have to do that again? Oh my god, I turned it on. I need to turn it back off. Now I can break this, and then we can get out of this freaking room, which we've been stuck in for almost 15 minutes. I might be exaggerating, but please do not change what I've just said. Oh my god. Did the battery just get stuck back up there? Oh my god, it got stuck back up there. Ah! If this battery does not break, I'm going to be so mad. Please break. Yes, it broke. Now we can finally get out of this room. Make sure you liked and subscribed, because that took so long. I will never do this room again. Now we have to do the other part of this room, which will be so much fun. I will warn you, a jump scare is ahead. So just be aware. Also, it may not look like it, but this tunnel does have red smoke in it. I was very shocked the first time I played. When I go into this room and get the battery, there will be a jump scare when I come back out. So just be aware. See? And then we have to watch this extremely long thing, which if you want to skip, please skip. I don't see any flowers.
Do you have any idea what you're doing? Do you know what's happening here? Do you know who we once were? Do you see why we have to end this? Do you even know what's real? No, you don't.
Whoa, that was an interesting dream. Sorry, buddy, but I've made it this far. I don't think I'm leaving. You can try to make me leave, but I'm not leaving. Sorry, bud. Well, you tried. Hey, Ollie. It's actually you this time, right?
Something's gone
Okay,
wrong.
good. I was just making sure.
Office and plug it in underneath the statue. We need to reach 100%. Good luck.
Thanks, I'll probably need it, depending on what's coming up. Hopefully it's not a giant catnap boss battle. It can't be that, right?
It looks like we're a tiny bit short. I'm sending one last key.
Great! This is amazing! I have to go to another freaking
Go
thing.
back over there and find the cord. Then we'll have enough power.
And we have to do another thing. I would say that Chapter 3 is probably one of the most puzzliest games of all of the chapters. And when I get Chapter 4, I will be doing a video on it, so I would get notified when that comes out. This chapter is also probably one of the darkest of all the chapters.
Okay, that should be enough power. Now take that huge battery to the gas production zone so we can get out of here. It's the door by the cable car you arrived on. Good luck.
If I'm not talking for the boss battle, it's because I'm trying to concentrate. So I will still be talking, but probably not as much. Here we go. And there he is, Nightmare Catnap. So this gas is a little different because you don't have to have your gas mask on while breathing it in.
Good. Okay. Now, in between the hallways, there's those two side rooms on both the left and the right. There'll be green power receivers in those little rooms. They can block off the hallways before Catman gets in. Try them. Good. If you see Catnap, use those. You probably got hallucinated.
And I died! Hooray! Into the light you go, Catnap. Somehow it mysteriously closes. Well, anyway, we basically beat the game. All we have to do is meet back up with Poppy, and then we're done. I know, I did. I'm just that good.
Catnap dead? You're one big step closer to the prototype. One step closer to winning. You made your choice. You're staying to help Poppy. Well, finish the job. This win is yours.
Good, you're here. And you've done it again. The impossible. Just like I knew you would. Catnap's gone. The red smoke is diverted. Everything is falling into place thanks to you. But if we're to keep going, then you deserve to have the truth. You came back because of your co-workers. You want to know what happened. And why? This is your answer. We called it the Hour of Joy. every moment of it. It went on so long, so agonizingly long. They tried to hide, to run, anything to stay alive. I remember their cries. What's going on? Why is this happening? What are those things? Senseless love.
Okay, well, can we get out of here now? You're taking so freaking long.
Oh, death didn't fix anything. And then, once it was all over, they dragged those corpses down below where they'd never be found. And they ate the bodies to stay alive. The prototype has to die for this, for everything.
Finally, we can freaking get out of here. Oh my god, it was taking so freaking long. Finally, okay. This game I hate so much because it has an enormous cliffhanger and I do not have chapter 4 yet. So be prepared to have a cliffhanger and do not watch other people's walkthroughs for chapter 4 because mine will be so much better than theirs. And while we're here, make sure to like, subscribe, share my channel with other people, and get notified when more of my videos come out.